Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. So today we are introducing the Pfaff Performance 5.2 sewing machine. Now, if you have a machine that's similar to this, maybe an older model, these videos will help you even though it's not exactly your machine. I think you'll notice that there's a lot of things that are similar from Pfaff sewing machines as they go through the different models. Another great way to use these videos is if you are thinking of purchasing this machine. You can go through a couple of them, see what they have, check out the videos towards the end. Those get into some of the memory and the specialty stitches. This sewing machine is packed full of features that as a sewer will challenge you to really get into doing more than just straight sewing. So I hope with these videos you will notice that you can do so much more with just a little time with your sewing machine working through these different processes. Now, one of the things that I was noticing as I was going through the manual is how many fun stitches are on this machine. Number one, Pfaff is known for their 9mm wide stitches, but this machine goes beyond that. It actually goes beyond the edges. It can do sideways motion stitches, and so as those maxi stitches stitch, they go side to side. That means alphabets are bigger. Decorative stitches are bigger. Pfaff has something called stacking stitches. You got to check those out. And also their famous ribbon stitches. That is on this Performance 5.2 sewing machine. So let's go ahead and first see what comes out of the box and how it's going to come to you when you buy your first machine. All right, so this is always the fun part for me as I get in and really see all the, it always smells so new. So join me as we get into all the features, and then as I show you them, we're going to break them down into an accessory video and how to get it all set up, and we'll get into threading and all the basics right away. So just first off, you've got a box that's kind of triangular shape that's just sitting down beside it. So let's open this first, and in here you're going to find your manual. So I was already peeking through here, finding out all the cool things that this machine has. You have your power cord and the other part of the power cord. Yes, so there's going to be two of them. You'll plug one of them into the actual foot control that is in here. All your accessories will be in this little kind of sealed package, and then we'll put them into where all the accessories hang out and easily stay organized. You do have a knee lift. Now, this is not like knee lift like you're doing exercises. This is to lift and lower your presser foot. So something that is handy means your hands stay on the fabric at all times, easy for turning and pivoting. So love this feature. I want you to try it out. Give it a couple days. Don't just give up on it because it comes with your machine for a reason because it's cool. So I want you to use it. And then also we'll go into the details of your warranty. You can fill this out and send it in, or you could also go to pfaff.com and register your machine right when you get it out. All right. So that's all the things that come in that small packet here. Next, the sewing machine has a hard case. So I'm going to kind of pull that off first. It's kind of encased in plastic, but great for when you're traveling or going to all your classes, which I do highly recommend. Even though you might be watching these videos, your Pfaff store, your local Pfaff store, is going to have hands-on classes for you to really get the most out of your machine. And one of the things I've noticed at our store is when people have watched these videos and then come to my hands-on classes, they are more knowledgeable. They're retaining the information a little bit quicker than somebody who's just like trying to learn it all by themselves right from the beginning. It's nice to start to hear things over and over. And as I teach you one way to use it, your teacher might teach you another way to use it. So having even two teachers is like optimum. So take advantage of the classes that came with your machine where you purchased your Pfaff. So here we go. We're going to just set that right over here. Okay, so the sewing machine, before I get to it, the foot control is kind of encased in a little cardboard. So I showed you two power cords. One's going to go into here and get you all plugged in, and then the other one's your actual power cord that goes from your sewing machine into your outlet. So speaking of outlets, What I don't want you to do is just plug it right into the wall. I want you to put it on a surge protector at the minimum, but better yet, a battery backup. Treat this sewing machine as a computer, which it is. It just happens to be a computer that has thread and needles and all sorts of fun things to do with it. But keep in mind there are circuit boards and you want to protect them. So the best thing to do is plug it into a battery backup. Just search for that online. It will come up. It's worth every penny, and the headaches that you will eliminate by doing just that. So don't plug it into the wall when you get this out. All right, I am noticing, I'm going to just go ahead and pull the handle up, and then I'm going to lift it up out of the box. All right, there she is. So you can see that she's got styrofoam on the side, so I'm going to just put those right back in here, and oh, ta-da! And now we are ready to get in. Oh yeah, this little guy you can just throw away. It's my trash can. All right, so are you ready to have some fun with your new machine? I am. I love doing these videos, so join us as we step into quite a few different videos, but the idea is that they're nice, short, and sweet. So if you're looking for just one thing, like the ribbon stitches or the stacking stitches or how to use the knee lift, you can go right to that video, watch just that part, and then be on using it right away. So thanks for joining me. SewingMastery.com is where all the videos hang out, as well as other machines, other brands, and you can take a look. You can do some comparison. If you have a serger, check out some of our serger videos. And I am an instructor on Craftsy, so you can hop over to Craftsy's website. I have a serger class over there, as well as a t-shirt quilt class. That means that if you've never made a t-shirt quilt, we have a no math method on how to do it step by step, especially if you've never made a quilt before. So join me at craftsy.com. All of the links are below this description in this YouTube video, and you can get exactly where you want to be super quick. So I think I've got about 50 to 60 videos to do for you. So join me and we'll have a wonderful time together. If you have questions along the way, we do refer you back to your local Pfaff store. They're the ones that can help you immediately. So, but these videos are here at any time. They're not going away. They're going to be on YouTube for a long time. So thank you for joining me, and let's get started.